Lot number 262 is a DaVinci Techno CNC machine. This machine is the only one I'm doing a video of because this machine appears to have never been used. As you can see, the plexiglass still has the paper on it. I'll show you. Right here, this corner piece broke. So the CNC machine, these panels are brand new. The plexiglass. So it's all covered up. So that definitely shows that it has not been used. Let me show you around the box. The box looks good. It has a few dents. I'll show you what I see. Some scrapes. Right here it has a few dents. Also, the door does not close properly. This door does not stay closed. So they must have banged it around in the warehouse, and the drawer is bent, and this panel is missing a screw over here at the end. As you can see, I'm going to show you the machine now. It's brand new. There's no doubt. It's never been used. The bracket is still wrapped. The brush is in the box. The machine looks great. Alright, that's pretty much it. We never plugged it in, but there's no doubt it's never been used. That's all. Good luck.